Echo, welcome to my farm. Stella, come on. Yes, so now where they say not be my farm. See my farm, yeah. Oh. I may get some. Oh. People will say not be your farm. My tomato don't spoil. My tomatoes spoil. Because of mosquito, I don't feel come pluck tomatoes. Stella! Stella! Come. My tomato don't spoil for farm. Because mosquito too much. If you see my children, especially my twins' body, the mosquito, it's too much. My tomatoes spoil. And I don't even know I want to do it. I get water leaf here. Water leaf there here. Good afternoon. I get water leaf. So people when they say not be my farm. Fine, not be me get land though. So the woman wey do in 2019, the coronavirus killed the day. So the Brazilian woman wey near me, that one still get farm too. So he can't tell me say make I come plant tomatoes. Whether I go plant. Stella, come. Come, mosquito too much. The Brazilian woman can't say that I will plant tomatoes. Now I say, you see my pepper here. Pepper never come out. I can't say yes, I will plant. So the see my tatache. I don't know whether I see my tatache never ripe. Where the tatache? See my tatache. My tatache be this. So the Brazilian woman can't say that I will plant. Then I say yeah, but I can't fear because of the. Not be me get. I can't say if the woman the day children can go tell them say I want plant something. So at the day woman children call because they can't say make I plant. So see they not there alive again at the house nobody there. Now I tell you that farm I don't be me get time. Mama I don't carry land come from Nigeria. So I plant tomatoes, I plant pepper, I plant potato, salad. I get many things. Only yam and pumpkin leaf I not get okra because I don't. Maybe next year by God grace they still give me chance next year. I'll plant okra. So see my pepper. See my green pepper here. May I show you my pepper. See my pepper. My pepper be this one. So tomatoes spoil too much for my fridge. I can't allow them make them spoil. If you see everywhere full, see grand. If you dey Bergamo and you're not far from Nebro, if you need tomatoes, you let me know. Now fresh tomatoes. See them, not too much for house. I don't know say the thing go plenty like this, yes. I'm coming. I don't know say the thing go plenty like this. I cannot plant her. I don't know say if you plant here things for here. Everything see and see tomatoes. Tomatoes now be this one. They see it's not too much here. See tomatoes. See tomatoes. See tomatoes. See tomatoes. So see I know say now for even do yam. See tomatoes. Mommy. See tomatoes. I get better when I do born when I do this thing. No, I only get my twins. What? Leave on. They eat. See tomatoes. Now lay okra. Next year by God grace, maybe I'll get okra. I get patatini. I get chipolo. That is onions. And my onions with this one. I get onions. I get salad. I get cabbage. Even the cabbage I did they throw away. They are not the me. I not want they like cabbage unless I cook fried rice. See the water. The water don't black. So see I was see river. You want to take water and see river here. A river be this. You want to take water? I get river here. So for land, I'm my land. I'm plant and I'm get everything. Till maybe the children come. They're not even there this area themselves. I'm not just say those ones will even come. So see tomatoes. This one are tommy. Fresh tommy tomatoes here. See tomatoes. They don't they spoil. Cause mosquito. I they fear mosquito where my children body don't full. So see my river. See river here. Now if you want to take water, now free from here take water. See river. See see cucumber. See cucumber. So every day now Brazilian woman teach me the way I take planter. Now give me tomatoes when I plant everything here. Now Brazilian woman I give me. So if I see the front there. If even if tomato sell, see they spoil. If tomato see they spoil, nobody to give. My fridge don't full. I don't grind put for fridge. My freezer don't full. I don't even tire. So yes, na my farm. People they say, not be your farm, not be your farm. I don't know that who get them. I don't be me get land though, but na my farm. I me plan with it day. So I don't think they lie, because they deceive people. But I not get so that I get them. I me get land though, but I me get what it do. They all give me opportunity to take planter for area when we day. So and the farm be this. Take one around. Stella! Yes, salop boy, we're gonna have mosquito. My fresh pepper. I show you my fresh pepper. My fresh pepper here. My fresh pepper, this pepper it's not ripe. I don't know why, never ripe. I don't try for this fresh pepper body. It's not green ripe. When I not plant and well, I don't know. So I get patatini. If you need patatini, if you need tomatoes, you let me know. If you didn't, bro, near Bergamo. So you are 100%. You let me know. You can't carry it by yourself, or you can't pluck by yourself. So what is that? It's a zare, eh? It's here where? It matters where now. So see the Saint Leaf. What would they call it? A bar. See Saint Leaf. A bar be this one. See, you got plenty. Now you'll be all those ones. See Saint Leaf. See a bar. See Saint Leaf. Oh, Saint Leaf. Now it be this one. Saint Leaf. Everywhere. See Saint Leaf. See Saint Leaf. See Saint Leaf. See vegetable. So to eat vegetable, that not be problem. See vegetable. See zucchini. May I show you now my zucchini. Zucchini now. Zucchini te very Rihanna. I not too much get zucchini this year. But I'm surely one. Show you now. A zucchini this year. This one a zucchini. Stella! Stella! Yes. Lá o é para barrer, eu pego e vai dedeu. So see Saint Leaf, and Saint Leaf you be all those ones Saint Leaf. Ba mo ho. So na be all those ones. See salad. See salad. Yes now. Okay, my people, you say me I show you on my farm. People they say not be you get farm, not be you get farm. They say they borrow farm for Europe. Me I don't know. I not borrow my own. No. Since one tomato they cut floor for farm that time. I will go farm. We can't plant this kind of tomatoes here. Never ripe. That tomato with the tomatoes never ripe. So now the farm be this. Let me I can show you now this afternoon. I do well. By God's grace, I'll come out in the evening. We'll talk about shakara people where they shakara for Europe. Una marry black finish. Una see the Oyibo una live on the one never marry. Una not let una live. Una see something they do. Una they go shakara. Whether una they follow Oyibo, una they will black for. Una see the girl they do the man. Una they with they do maka. I will come this evening. We'll talk about that one by God's grace and my power. But I'll come later around 10:30. Let me show you first. Yes. Trying to what are you using it for? No. Where's when? So by God grace next year I'll yam. I must get yam. Oh, not be safe for months. So since this year everything they okay, everything well for year. So I'll get yam next year. So see my farm. Oh, it big go. So the Brazilian woman oh they front there. Brazilian woman oh they front. I get everything. I get Saint Leaf. I get if you want boy meat, I know they buy. Go come farm, come block. Even the back here for your call down for my back of my house. Stella, let's go. We'll go now though. Mosquito too much. I want boy meat. Now this one say the boy meat. Your boy meat. Come up for there. So everything they my farm. If I want pluck now, say I want boy meat. See. This one say the baby. This one at time. If you want boy meat, see time. A walk bo. It's time you go. Maybe go there. Now lay aloe vera. I don't know as I want to plant aloe vera. I still need aloe vera here. So now everything there. You see ginger. Me I say na ginger. See ginger. Ginger. See ginger. I still get ginger for my backyard. So now this one be that if you want to cook your love, that patapatali where they put for your love, yes? You can, no, don't pluck it. Leave the tomatoes there. Get other way. If you want to mix it, don't one way there. Don't do much. I just want to the boil meat. That patapata leaf where they say the boil meat. If you want to cook fried rice, that dry one and the fresh one be this one. So everything there, yeah. Nah. So now my friend be this one. I do well. So now let's go. Mosquito. Nazare. Okay. Want to pluck cucumber? You need cucumber? Oh yeah, go and pluck cucumber. Let's go. You eat it, oh. Go and pluck it. What are you? I feel like one better warrior. I made you the square better pass it. It's a house full. Wait, may I find one cucumber for you, yeah? Wait. Come and see one. Come and see cucumber. See the scratch. Whoa. Oh yeah. I can see one just now. Wait, let's turn around. Let's go that side. Let's pluck cucumber. And when we need a cucumber, see cucumber here. See cucumber. So I pluck cucumber. You echo. See cucumber. I don't pluck one. See cucumber. No, we need to wash it. When you get to, you wash it. That water is not clean. See cucumber here. Yeah, take. When you get to, you wash it. Okay. Okay. Oh, yeah, let's go.
Why do that?
Eh? Diamo? Okay.
No.
Si, andiamo. Tomatoes in Mariare. Tomatoes for everywhere, scatter, see grant. Okay, may I pick those one for grant? See them for grant. See tomatoes. Oh, wow, woeful. See them. That they spoil. See them.
Yeah.
See tomatoes.
Oh.
See tomatoes for grant.
Edible.
See tomato. It's too much, and I can't pick it for back. Oh, just. It's too much for grant, though. Mamma mia. My God will say don't do. Hey, yeah, my baby, they cry. See them for grant. The thing is too much. Don't they spoil well. Don't they spoil. Tomatoes, so better tomatoes. So. See, better tomatoes. They don't they spoil. Me, I pick them. My baby, they cry. My baby, they back. Oh, Jesus. So, like, come and pick tomatoes now. Eh? Who pick you, man? Who? I beg. I tell you not be lazy. Why will pack them? I don't carry rubber come. The tomatoes here. My tomato. I did try this year. They give me chance next year. Not go there. Many things when I'll pack for this farm. So, my farm, I want to pack my tomatoes. Oh, well. Yeah, my people. I can't pick for bag. Tomatoes too plenty for grant. So, it ain't too much. Different type of tomato. If you need small one, if you need the they say that I believe go say a tomato said do. A tomato say okay. A Tommy. I got all of them here. So nine. Sela. Let's pack tomatoes now. Ya pack tomatoes here, Rene. I pack tomatoes here, very well. Oh yeah. Let me look for a place so that. Maybe I have over. But my fridge don't full for all those tomatoes wahala. To say I know say that's how it go be. I for not even let them. I for not plant and reach like this. The thing too much. What I'll take carry the tomatoes. Huh? Then if I say you go as now, go bring it. Go bring something more take part tomatoes now. I will get one guy. Walk by. Okay now, come. Come, we'll come back later. Come and pack those tomatoes. Come. You're why now? Are you not going home? Come on, let's go now, mosquito. Ooh. Oh yeah, come. You pack this one. Wait. Let's look for pangolo. You must see something now. Huh? How person they come farm, go cannot carry cutlass. You not carry anything. They all come farm like that. The name of waiting. Oh, wow. Nothing. Let's go. Let's go, Tafia. Baby. Come and take. Go and pack those tomatoes inside here. Oh, yeah, Lele. What mosquito bite you? Oh, yeah, pack them. Pack them. Later I'll come back. Pack them. Oh, you mean I pack tomatoes? Echo. Oh, yeah, open it. One after the other. Put it inside. Wow, oh yeah. See tomatoes here. Come here. Come and pack tomatoes. See tomatoes on that here. Pack them. Let me go and bring many. Okay. And because of marvelous. Yeah, marvelous. I said in la way, man, not pack it. They were not carry picking for. The tell Papa go there. Let me carry children. All of them don't full ground here. Oh, sorry, network. See my tomatoes for ground. Oh yeah, let's pack them. Let's go. Oh yeah. Wait, see. Too much bait. Oh yeah. No, leave those one. Maybe later. Tomorrow. Okay, guys. Thank you very much. And so my farm, what to do? Baby, wake up. So, my people, to say free from here, they give you tomatoes. I forgive you. I forgive, but I know fit. I wanted one. Badamo. Ugbeje. Oh, Baba. Ciao. Okay, Baba. Ciao. Dennis, ciao. You don't carry tomatoes. Damo, sir. Ayo. Yeah, let's go. Thank you, my people. See you in the evening, okay? Love you too. Love you. Stella, come and say ciao. Stella, come and say ciao. Do ciao. Ciao. Here they go again. Ciao. Tomorrow we'll come back. Let's go.